Hey guys, let's go through the assembly of this Iron Gym Total Upper Body Workout Bar. It comes with just 5 parts and some 4 nuts and bolts, so it's very straightforward to assemble. Perhaps that's the reason they don't have the instructions to assemble in the booklet. To assemble the main bar out here, right, you'll see a groove right with the notch here. You just slide it in and turn it around so that it locks. Just make sure that the 2 holes are in the same line. They have to come in the same line. You'll find one set of long nuts and bolts, longer bolt, and one set of smaller bolt. So the longer ones would be going in between these two. So it does not matter which direction you put it in, but just make sure when you are putting them and attaching them, they are in the same direction. Okay. Let's take the longer nut and bolt. Make sure the washer goes to the nut. There it goes. That's one assembly in here. The second one, the same way. Make sure this locks in. Next, you don't want to tighten it early enough, because once you put everything in place, everything will kind of fall in place, and then we can, at the end, we can tighten it out together. Taking a quick look, so make sure the black plastic bar goes right towards the inside of the curve, with the curvature flush with the steel bar out here. Okay, and also again the same, the nut and the washer would go on the other side, back side. All right, trying to find the hole on the other side in here. There it goes. What is that about? You're on video, you know that, right? All right. Great. So we have a tool to tighten this in. Let's just tighten this. Don't push it way too hard, because it does, right? Once it's tight enough, right? It does not come out loose while you are using it. So this is good enough, right? You'll see that if you apply force, you'll be able to push it harder. But again, since this is plastic, you don't want to kind of push it way too hard and break it. And again, let's tighten these nuts as well. Again, you don't have to go way too tight. This is a hollow metal, so right, there is chance that you might end up damaging it as well. So just make sure it's snug enough, tight enough, and there you go, all assembled. Thank you.